Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead, and welcome to Discount Tire. So, you never know when you get out. I call them hiccups. I need new tires. I have other things I need to put my money on, but tires are important right now. So, the Goodyear Assurance. So I might have to take another road trip pretty soon. And the music is taken care of by Discount Tires, of course. So I don't need them in the back yet, but man, I wanted to put that money somewhere else. I wanted that money going to other things, but it is what it is. Another hiccup has arrived. So I think I got a house payment coming out also out of this check. So I will balance and weigh and balance and do what I got to do. But oh yeah, I need to get oats and whole corn for the chickens because they're getting close to laying eggs here pretty soon. Yeah, short and sweet, and have a nice sunny day.